What is he doing?
The mystery has been solved. We figured out what the noise was.
What the heck? How do you say his name? Roj?
Oh no, he's cute.
He's really sweet too, but
Does he always do that?
no, I've never seen. Look at his nose. It like goes to poop.